Backpack, take 9.
Let's see here. Take a look first. Can't read much. It's got a picture of a corn cob, but it looks like a wiener. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have any English. Not sure.
Where are you?
We're in Riton Park, listening to some beautiful music behind us. Some dancing going on. Not sure if you can see it or not. And it is Monday afternoon. Oh yeah, smells like sweet corn, like boiled corn. And kind of smoky, like smoky corn. Rubber. Oh my god! There's corn kernels inside of it. So yeah, it's like a hot dog with corn stuffed on the inside. It's sweet. Definitely a meat product. It's not bad. I still don't really like it very much. Sort of strange combination. But I'd give this maybe a solid 6.5.